Happy New Year, everyone! Okay, hi guys! So part of this video is actually a giveaway because it's January 2021. Happy New Year! I'm gonna share with you Mommylhey's travel notebook cover. This is green. This has been, I'm not sure what month it was released. Last year, 2020. But I just bought it from somebody who's destashing. But I actually bought the entire box for this one. So I wanted to try and see if this is something that would work for me, because this is like, if you will compare it to Happy Planner, it's like just half of it. And I really wanted a lot of space for my, planning or journaling. But I didn't actually use this for planning. I mostly use this for like doodling your thoughts. Not actually doodle, but like just writing down whatever thoughts that came to your mind. Okay, so let me just show you what's inside. So I have here like clips that I also got from a destasher, and then I have here like post-it notes and just like an adventure awaits ephemera. And then this is really cute. This is what really sold me to this. I really want this shake, shake, shake. I love it. So I put it as a cover for my notebook. Okay, there you go. So this is the notebook that came with this particular set. And as you can see, I think it's because I put in the plastic right before it, and so some of the foil in here are already tarnishing. So, but for me it's okay. It's just okay. So for this particular notebook, what I did was like a doodle, but not really a doodle drawing. But what I did was I just put in some of my stickers and washi tapes whenever I feel like just doing it. So you can see I have here like different stickers, here like different stickers and washi tapes. There you go. You can see like there are a lot of different washi tapes that I put in. Like this one is a wide washi tape. This one I just cut in. These are washi tapes as well. I just cut into pieces or bits of that. These are washi tapes, also wide washi tapes. And some of these are still blank, so yeah, I haven't put in much yet. And the shaker cover. And then this one, I actually have it customized. I bought a customized sized notebook for this. This is pretty thick. I just forgot to whom I actually ordered this, but this really has a nice sheet to it. So what I did for this one, this is where I put in my random thoughts. What I did was to do a stamp. So I tried my Stampin' Up! Ink pad if it's still working good, and I tried some of my stamps, and it actually worked well, a little well. Some of the stamp colors are really very subtle in color. I thought they have been drying up, but they're just really that subtle. So I'll just show you some of it. Those are some of my thoughts that I've write it in here. And then these are some of my stamps that I put in. Okay, there you go. Here, I think I have here like some of my favorites. There. I love that stamp. Okay, so that's what I did for this one. I'm not sure if this would actually help me for my planning. I think I'm just a big fan of big planners, but for journaling, maybe this would work for you, because you can, order customized notebooks. Alright, so there you go. This is Mommylhey's travel notebook cover. It's really, really pretty. Okay, hi guys. So part of this video is actually a giveaway because it's January 2021. Happy New Year! So, what you have to do to make sure that you will be able to win these prizes would be to share the post that we have in our Facebook for this particular video. So share this video and then make sure that you share this in your Facebook account, share this in your Facebook story, tag the Scrapbooky Crafter Facebook page, and comment on this video. So comment on this YouTube video of the word that we will be posting in our Facebook. Alright? And then make sure that you also tag your friends on that Facebook post that we have. So all of that particular mechanics will be posted on this video below. Alright? So let me just show you what you will get. So this is the devotional book, Trusting God Day by Day, 365 Daily Devotion. So let me just give you a flip through of this. So you have from January 1 up until December 31 of a daily devotion. And then you will also get this. This is a journaling notebook, a sticker. You will have a bookmark. You will have different Project Life journaling cards that will go with you and that you can use in your journaling notebook. Alright? Not only that, so if you wanted a daily journaling, you will have this washi tape where it has a daily, a daily day washi tape that you can use to put in if it's Monday or Tuesday in your journal. So there you go, guys. I hope you'd like this, and then you're gonna share it in your Facebook account. Don't forget to comment on this video. Thank you, guys.